Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is change your Instagram account to a business or creator account. To do that, you just need to first go to the top right and press the three bars. After that, go tap settings and privacy. Once you're here, just scroll down until you see account type and tools. Press that and press switch to professional account. Just press continue until you reach here. Just choose what describes you the best. I will just choose digital creator. Press done, and after that, it will ask you if you are a creator or a business. Again, it's up to you, but I will just choose creator. Now that we have a business or creator account, we can finally connect our Instagram to our Facebook page. So, just press professional dashboard and then go to your top right and press the gear icon. Once you're here, just select connect a Facebook page. After that, press continue and log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, it would make you choose a Facebook page that you want to connect to. I just have one page, so I would just select this and press connect. After that, it would tell you that your account is now connected to the Facebook page. If you find this video informative, be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.